Welcome to our YouTube channel Sai by Learning Lab. Here we study about the reproduction of Chapter 1 Biology of Class 12 CHSE. First of all, we study about the reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process in which the living organisms gives rise young one of their own type. In case of both plant and animal, they try to make their species continue and make a young one of their own type. Then the mode of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. There are 5 types of asexual reproduction: fission, budding, sporulation, gemule formation and fragmentation. Next, fission. There are 2 types of fission: binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission, when the parent cell divides into 2 daughter cell, is known as binary fission. In case of binary fission, the nucleus of parent cell divides into 2. Then the cytoplasma divides into 2, carries 1 nucleus. Then they make a new daughter cell. Then the daughter cell then grows into a new cell. Next, multiple fission. Similarly, multiple fission, when the parent cell divides into a large number of daughter cell, it is called as binary multiple fission. Then sporulation. It is a type of reproduction in which the spores are formation. The spores are asexual bodies and haploid cells, which helps them to produce a new cell. It is shown in very small level plants like fungi. Then budding, when the parent cell divides into a 2 new daughter cell, it is called as budding. The parent cell, the bud is attached to the parent cell, and then the 2 nucleus and some cytoplasm enters into the bud. Then the bud is divides from the parent cell, then it grows into a new cell. Example, Hydra. Then gemule formation, when the buds are grows in the body endogenously with the parents, connect with the parent cell, then the gemule formation. When the gemule comes out, they grows into a new cell. Example, sponge. Then fragmentation, when the parent body divides into a large number of small parts, then the small parts are grows into a new cell. It is known as fragmentation. Example, filamentous. When if I cut the filamentous, after a few days I saw that the filamentous grows into a new cell. Thank you.